Hello everyone, we are Team Orcas and we are proud to present our solution Swabhumi. Across tribal communities, land rights are often delayed or lost in endless paperwork and scattered records. This creates inefficiency, mistrust, and leaves many voices unheard. Swabhumi changes this. It makes land rights recognition faster, more transparent, and inclusive by bringing together AI guidance for officers, offline ready tools for field teams, and a community driven decision support system with multilingual support. With Swabhumi, technology becomes a bridge between communities, officials, and policymakers, ensuring governance that is fair, precise, and future ready.
Our AI-powered FRA Atlas ensures every patta holder's land claim is processed quickly and transparently. First, claims and legacy documents are collected and digitized through the portal. Data flows securely into the cloud and our data lake. Next, AI and OCR extract details like claimant names, villages, and boundaries, while satellite and drone mapping create accurate geospatial assets. The system cleans and validates this data and stores it into a spatial database with GIS layers. Through the decision support system, officers see AI recommendations, boundary overlaps, and scheme linkages on an interactive WebGIS dashboard. All actions are logged on blockchain, and patta holders receive real-time SMS or voice updates. Finally, approved claims generate secure and digital land titles, delivered faster, cheaper, and without disputes. Now, this is the overview of our solution. Now we'll move to the implementation of it.
Welcome to Swabhumi, FRA Atlas, a digital platform for tribal welfare. On the left panel, users can easily navigate from state to district to village and finally down to the tribal area. Each selection instantly updates the map. At the center, we see a color coded interactive map, green for approved titles, yellow for pending, and red for rejected. By clicking any polygon, field officers or citizens can view land details and trigger actions like apply for re-verification or attach supporting evidence. On the right, the decision support system gives contextual insights, for example, highlighting resources present in the land and suggesting relevant government schemes like Jal Jeevan Yojana or water harvesting or forest linked livelihood programs. These recommendations are explainable and users can even export them. At the top, real time KPI cards show the state progress, total claims received, titles approved, and the claims rejected directed down from government reports. We also have an upload data system where users can upload the MPR reports of the ministry and that data will get updated onto the map immediately. Finally, the physical field kit enables offline GPS tracking, photo capture, and checklist upload, ensuring ground terms can sync data even in the remote area. In short, this prototype combines map intelligence, government data, and actionable recommendations to make tribal lands rights implementation transparent, participatory, and future ready. This prototype of Swabhumi introduces an AR ready view of tribal land. Officers can navigate by selecting the state, district, village, and even tribal areas to zoom directly into the real land parcels. With AR integration, officers can overlay digital boundaries onto the real terrain during visits, ensuring transparency and reducing the problems of boundary manipulation. With Swabhumi app, tribal community people can see if claims are submitted, reviewed, or approved. They can safely upload documents, check new government schemes, and also keep record of their land. No more confusion. Everything about their land is stored in one place for them. It also has a multilingual support for tribal community people solving language barrier issues.